match today. Let's have a look at the lineup for both teams. The match is underway. Good play, one-on-one. Fails to keep the ball. Carrying the ball forward. It has to be! That's a perfect goal! A reminder that no lead is entirely comfortable in this game. Looking for options. Knocks it towards to the front. Looking for options. Nice ball in. Oh, so close. Quarter of the half gone. Both teams showing positive intent. Pushing it forward. It's in! Plenty of power on that! A great save! Real class! Didn't miss by very much. Cross into the middle. Oh, great vision. Missed only by inches. Restart from the goalkeeper. Might be able to get in behind the defence. What a chance! Just the keeper to beat! Sensational stop from the keeper. Losing possession. The team is showing aggression, grabbing the lead early in the game. Good play, one-on-one. Amazing shot. Knocks it towards to the front. Fails to keep the ball. Might really be able to trouble them here. Chance is on. There goes the ball. Losing possession. Pushing it forward. It's in! Plenty of power on that. Oh, that would have been a great start to the game, but that's a bad miss. Fails to keep the ball. An entertaining first half. Both teams were quite aggressive in the game. Second half is finally starting. Knocks it towards to the front. Heavy shot. Glorious goal! A slight wobble, but still commanding the scoreline. Might be able to get in behind the defence. Pushing it forward. Struggling to get the shot off. Doubles the personal tally. Hour mark reached. Tempo starting to drop slightly. Fails to keep the ball. Good ball movement and a decent position here. Good defence. Denied by the keeper. Impressive. The score is now 1-3. Knocks it towards to the front. Fails to keep the ball. Seeking out a passing lane. That's an obvious penalty. The ref's not taken long to give a booking. They are making a change. Another goal! A brilliant brace, lifting the whole team's spirits. It's a substitution. The task just got tougher for the trailing side. Pass back. Heavy shot. Rattles the post. They've decided that now is the time for him to go to the bench. Losing possession. Keeping possession nicely. Keeping possession nicely. Might be able to get in behind the defence. Nice through ball. Pushing it forward. Seeking out a passing lane. What a real challenge for the keeper. We are going to have a few additional minutes. Knocks it towards to the front. A chance! Position at the back post. Reads the play beautifully. The referee says that is all for today. Even though it was a very tight win, the outcome is very well worth it.